Hello, 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 hello. It's Yay, aka Marish_Yay. And today we have a zodiac sign video. Hi everyone, thank you so much for returning back to my YouTube channel. I am so thankful and grateful that you returned back to watch me. As I have mentioned before, we have a zodiac sign video. I am going to be telling you the pros of being a Cancer. Let me know if you agree with these pros that I'm going to tell you guys down below in the comment section. Number one, yeah, we're getting straight right into it. Number one, please lend me your time, your ears, and your energy when I have a story to tell. Because as a Cancer, and I like to know that you're all in whatever I'm saying. Your body language, I can read it. Your facial expressions, I can see it. So do not think that you can fool me. I want to know that you're really listening to what I'm saying, just like I would know if you're really listening to what I'm saying in this video when you comment if you agree with what I'm saying. You got it? Good. So yes, I like to listen. I think it's very good because I'm pretty attentive, and I want others to do the same to me when I'm telling them a story. So yeah, please do that. Number two,
I'll be there. I'll be there. Just call my name and I'll be there.
I'll be there. I care a lot. Oh, and that reminds me, if I have kind of made it awkward or I have kind of stopped talking to you, it's because I got the vibe. You don't need to tell me. I got the vibe. I got the vibe that you were acting shady, that whatever it was, I got it. And I have created distance from me to you. The other way, yeah. From me to you, okay? So don't do that. If I care about you, make sure you let me know. In fact, it's not even all that necessary. As a Cancerian, if I care about you, I care about you. If I don't, I don't. Simple. Like, number three, stay in your own lane. That's what we do. No. Number three, as a Cancerian, we know how to get things done. We can be independent. We can have dinner ready at 6. We can have a full-time job, whatever the case might be. We know what we want. And when we want it, we go get it. We know how to mind our business and we know how to get it done. So don't get it twisted. Number three, Cancerians know how to stay in their own lane. They're independent and they get stuff done. What is it that you don't understand? Anyway, if you like this video, make sure you tell me down below in the comment section. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned, because guess what? I got a cons video coming up. Bye.